I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for eHow.com, making a Hawaiian pineapple salad. Well, let's start with our salad. You can use any greens. I have some spinach leaves here and some shredded cabbage, and we also have some beautiful red pepper. And we got to add the pineapple to make it a pineapple salad, and also red onion. Gives it a really nice flavor. We'll mix that red onion in there too. Okay, and we're going to make a very simple dressing, and it's really all in the garnishes with a Hawaiian salad. Okay, we're going to start out with some fresh pineapple juice, and we have some red wine vinegar here, and we're just using just a little bit. We used about 1/4 cup of the pineapple juice and about 1.5 tablespoons, and we've got a couple tablespoons here of the olive oil. We have 1.5 tablespoons of the red wine vinegar. Let's start to mix this in. And let's get a little bit of sea salt in there too. Start mixing it in. And I want to take our pepper too. Some nice pepper grind in there. Nothing like freshly ground pepper in a salad. All right, just whisk it up a little bit. And place that on our salad. Not too much, don't want to drown it. And then we're going to garnish it. What we have here is some shredded coconut. You can toast this if you like. And I have some chopped up toasted macadamia nuts too. How lovely. And finally, depending on who you're making the salad for, you have some bacon too that you can put on the top, which isn't a traditional Hawaiian salad. I'm going to leave it off for here, but show you the option. And here you have it, a Hawaiian pineapple salad. I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose for eHow.com.